All right. I finally got it. Let me tell you, I'm late. I am, let me see how much late I am. 25 minutes after 7. I'm 25 minutes late. But I left about, I think I left about 4:30. No, I couldn't have left no 4:30 for me to get here 7:30. I don't know what time I left. But anyway, I took the bus into Manhattan. And that was only because I had got me some food and I wanted to eat it. And then I got me some Spanish food, some rice, chicken, and plantain. And they gave me a whole plantain. You know? Longer than a banana. And I was like, ooh. See, I'm going to eat this. So I said, now if I take the train, then that means I'll have to eat it when I get to the church. And I didn't too much want to go down doing service eating. So I said, you know what? Let me take the bus. Took the bus, got into Manhattan, 125th Street and 2nd Avenue. The bus went out of service, but I got to eat some of the food. But gets on the bus, and they ain't give me no fork, no spoon. Now, see, this is why I love the Lord. Because when I left out the store, my mind told me to ask them for a spoon. At least I would have had a spoon, because they forgot to put a fork in there. So I get on the bus. I ain't got no fork, no spoon. But hey, my 4 fingers was definitely the fork. The spoon, rather. Wait. So I went and used my fingers. But good thing I got the plantain and the chicken. I didn't get no stewed chicken or anything. I got the chicken, like fried chicken. It was good too. I mean, I very seldom eat Spanish fried chicken, but it was good. So once the bus went out of service, then I had to wait for the next bus, and 2 of those buses went out of service. So I had to take it to 125th and St. Nick and caught the C train. So that was 30 stops. But I'm here. They should be in service. All right, so I'm here. I'll hit y'all up later and get out of church.